Hello YouTube. Today we are going to a restaurant. We took the streetcar to Miyagi Station and then walked to the restaurant. Mos Burger is one of my favorite fast food restaurants in Japan. They often sell special recipe burgers, and there was one type I really wanted to try. Hello YouTube. Today we have come to Mos Burger. I ordered Torokiri Torotama Sukiyaki Yakitate burger. It's quite a long word to say. I hope it's good. It is time limited. It says so here. I also ordered fried onions and potatoes. A drink set. After ordering, you find a table and they bring the food over to you. This looks good. It also has egg inside it. I am gonna eat my burger. The meat is really hot. I just cracked the egg that is inside it. It is really good. It was a filling meal. This place is Chatorese. Chatorese Hatsukaichi is a great place to buy Japanese cakes and sweets. They sell delicious ice cream and cookies too. This is a wine collection. I had to choose which of the tasty looking cakes to take home. This is my cake. This is what it looks inside. It's pretty cool, huh? Ah, that was good. If you'd like to eat a really good cake, go to Chatorese. If you liked this video, please subscribe down below.